this is the voice behind the beautiful nails that you've been seeing for the last couple of months. Welcome to my channel. This is my first official video, and today I will be showing you how I made the page art nail for this specific Valentine's Day set that I have in front of me right here. And I will be doing the second nail, which is this one right here. In the video you'll be seeing everything that I used, from the products to the tools. And thank you so much for subscribing, for liking. I really do appreciate that. And for the video, I kept it at the regular speed. I didn't speed it up or anything, just in case that anyone wanted to try on their own. The video is very beginner friendly. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching, and I hope you do enjoy it. We're gonna jump right into the video.